Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat blocked chat. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat blocked chat, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to click for stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. When you will find this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you will search about Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.